Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how I apply my gel X tips, how I glue them on the nails. My nails, as you can see, they're already prepped. If you see the other videos, you're going to see I prep for all my applications the same. So I go ahead and the same glue that I'm going to glue the nails with, I use it as a base. First, I let them dry in the UV machine. I already measured my gel X tips. I just prepped them inside. I basically just scratch them lightly with the sanding bit. I go in one by one, all the space that's gonna be glued on the nail, I scratch it. After that, I use the same glue I used it as a base, the gel glue. This one is D&D, but you can use Apres, you can use anything you normally use. I flash cure it all around, and then I have the clients dry their nails inside the machine. Every time I put the glue, I flash dry it, I go ahead and ask clients to put it inside the machine to dry better and stronger. After that, I go ahead and I give it a light file. Normally with Gel X, it's easy because we pick the shape and the length that the clients want. It saves us a lot of work and time, but I go around, I make sure everything is smooth, and if there is anything underneath, like the nail, the natural nail is sticking out in the corners or anything, I go ahead and I file it. This is a client of mine. As you can see, her nails grow naturally up. Now I'm gonna buff. I buff underneath always, especially when you file, always buff underneath the nail and the top. Buff the top, corners, and the bottom. And there you go. Now I'm just gonna start painting. I use my clear base. Same thing, any base. I use the base to glue the nails. I put the nails. After, I use a base also before I start painting. So my clients, I think she's just doing a natural nails with chrome. So I want to also show you a technique how to do the chrome also. I'm doing a combination here of two colors just because the client asked for this combination. This is her favorite. It's Bubble Bath from OPI. The first base I have from this company, I kind of forgot, but I'll link it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm sure you guys heard about the glazed donuts. It was very popular, so something like that, but she wanted a little bit more pink. So instead of using Funny Bunny with Bubble Bath, I used both, like that base that is creamy pink and then Bubble Bath. After, I use my chrome base. I apply it on all the nails. I dry it 30 seconds. Then I go in with my chrome powder. You can use your little sponges or your gloves if the gloves are clean, does not have any gel residue or anything on them. Make sure it's not a lot because otherwise it becomes almost metallic. So if you want it to be like that full coverage metallic, put more chrome. If you want it to be just light, you can see through it, just like a little glaze, then use a little bit less. I brush off any extra powder from my chrome. I use the same base gel that I used for the chrome. I use it as a top coat. With this brand, I don't need another top coat, but sometimes I will put an extra top coat. I finish my nails by spraying some rubbing alcohol, and I just clean any extra powder from my chrome. Again, I file just the edges super lightly, and from the inside, when I'm filing, I'm trying not to file the gel polish because it will cause chipping of the gel if you file it too hard. So I go from underneath the nail just to make everything smooth. I have my little tool. I always like to use it to make sure that, especially with the chrome, any chrome that is attached or stuck on the cuticles, like super close, I take it out so everything looks nice and finished well. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much.